Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Swift Platinum Edition Fairway 560 Special Edition Caravan unique to Broad Lane. It comes with a whole host of extras fitted to it as standard. It's a cracking price given its specification, and it also looks brilliant too. Without further ado, I'll show you around it. You've got a fixed panoramic window over the three front opening windows, look, which are recessed into the body. Very smart they look too. Carbon effect gas locker lid with 3 locking points for security, and you'll notice the nice detailing with the chrome effect finish to the grab handles. Comes with active tray control as standard. You can stand on the A-frame in order to keep the windows clean. Gas point for your outdoor cooking. There's power too. Access to the space under the front seats, and it also comes with what we call an entertainment hatch. So it's effectively a swing arm, an additional power point and aerial point so that you can watch your TV out in the awning. You'll notice it's got the heavy duty corner steadies front and rear with the external wind guide points to make it nice and easy to access the fixings to wind the legs up and down. It's got a one-piece solid door for security, but also, dare I say, to keep the warmth in, etc. So, the front, we've got the gloss finish to the overlockers, positive catches, adjustable LED lighting. You've got the blinds in the cassette system, which incorporate the night and fly screens. So your, dare I say, your curtains are pretty much purely decorative these days. You've got the unique upholstery colours, the end bolsters, 4 scatter cushions. You notice you've got the material covering on the walls there as well, just to make the whole caravan feel a little bit more sumptuous, if that makes sense. Comes with a stereo system, which is effectively radio CD player. Plenty of power points, as you can see. Positive catches on the handles. Look, that's a good thing for from a security point of view. Look on the Swift product. Kitchen area's got the useful microwave. It's got the illuminated splashback. Full cooker unit incorporating the electric hot plate, useful if you run out of gas. Kitchen extension on the Swift product, look. Dometic, easy to use fridge with removable freezer compartment, which effectively means you've got a larder fridge. Over the main door you've got the Alde heating control panel, a hot water control. You've got the main control panel, and if you know about the new Swifts, it gives you the ability to use certain features via the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can use your phone or your tablets respectively to operate certain controls. So it's got a solid door, that's important. The other layouts tend to have a concertina door. This has got the washroom in the middle then. Swivel seat loo with push button electric flush, opaque window, storage. In the middle of the caravan I've got a wash space and storage, and it's a lovely feature there with the illuminated mirror. You've got the round cylindrical shower with the rise and fall shower. There's 2 doors then that access the bedroom on the back end. Duvet memory foam mattress, somewhere to put your drinks, 2 wardrobes, loads of storage as you can see, loads of storage under the fixed bed too. More this sort of wall covering pouch system just to soften it all up, makes it feel nice and sumptuous. Window, radiator, another window, and then at the bottom of the bed you got somewhere else to pop your TV, look, further controls, etc, etc. It comes with the alarm system. It's got a loose lay easy clean carpets. It's got the very modern contemporary wooden effect flooring, solar panels should you not be on mains electric, so that'll put some extra charge into your leisure battery. It all comes with the alko secure wheel lock. It's got the extractor fan, side lift jack and brackets. It does come very high spec, to be fair. It's loosely based on the Swift Challenger. The Challenger then would have the optional Alde heating and the optional Lux pack. Fairway comes with those as standard and more besides. So it's very well spec'd, and dare I say, it's been very well received. So there you have it, 2018. It's the Swift Fairway Platinum Edition. It's our special edition. It's the 560. The 560 layout then is the model with the bathroom in the middle, and then you've got the 2 sliding doors, look, to the fixed bed on the very back. There you have it. It's available to view. Contact number here is 01789 763 432. There aren't many left now, so if you are interested, please give us a call, pop down and say hello. We'll be delighted to show you around. Thank you.